In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Zelle QR code in the Wells Fargo app. If you've been wondering how to access this quick and convenient method for receiving payments, you're in the right place. So let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible for you. To begin, grab your smartphone and locate the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you're not sure where it is, just look for the familiar Wells Fargo icon among your apps. Once you've tapped on it, you'll need to log in using your username and password. Make sure it's the correct information to ensure seamless access to your account. After you've logged in, pay attention to the bottom menu on the screen. Here you'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is Pay and Transfer. Go ahead and tap on that. This is essentially your gateway to managing payments, including those done through Zelle. Now, within the Pay and Transfer section, you'll come across various payment options available to you. Among these options, select Zelle QR. Tapping on Zelle opens up a range of functionalities specific to this peer-to-peer payment service that's linked directly to your bank account. On the Zelle home screen, you want to be observant of the icons available. Look for a small QR code symbol. It's usually located near either your profile picture or the Send button. This QR code icon is crucial because it's your ticket to viewing your personal Zelle QR code. Once you spot it, tap on it. By doing this, your unique Zelle QR code will appear on the screen. This is really handy because it can be scanned by others to send you money directly into your account. It's a quick and secure way to receive payments without having to exchange other personal information like bank account numbers. If this QR code is something you'll be using often, you might want to save it or share it with others easily. Look for options like Share or Save on the screen. Tap on Save if you intend to download the QR image to your device, or select Share if you need to send it to someone for immediate payment purposes. Remember, once you've saved or shared your QR code, others can conveniently scan it to send money directly to you through Zelle. It's that easy, and there you have it. A straightforward way to access and utilize the Zelle QR code within your Wells Fargo app. By following these steps, you'll make receiving payments not just easy, but more secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and insights on managing your finances more effectively using digital tools. Until next time.